We've been looking forward to this, people. I'm from South Mississippi, so if I get to talking too fast for you, y'all just let me know. I'll slow it down. We've been to have some fun, people. 1, 2, 3. Living on Sponge Cake, watching the sun make all of the birds they cover it all. It's drawing my 6th string, on my bumper swing. The smell of shrimp down the dinner before.
Jimmy Buffett. When Margaritaville came out in 1977, that's why it's on this shirt. He called me, he said, I've written a perfect headed down to the beach, building a bonfire type of song. And I told him, I said, James, you hadn't said anything about old men or tank tops or sweet scenery. So we took an adult beverage, kind of like tequila. I can't lie to you, it's a whole bunch of tequila. We came up with another verse, you want to hear it? It goes a little something like this. The old men in tank tops, they cruise in the gift shop, they check out cigarettes down.
out there.